most common replacement parts for the Jet variable speed wood lathe are the belts and bearings. Start by disconnecting your lathe from the power source. To replace the belt, start by releasing the belt tension and open the pulley access doors. Remove the spur center and faceplate. Engage the spindle lock and loosen both set screws in the hand wheel with a 3mm hex key. Unscrew the hand wheel from the spindle and then disengage the spindle lock. Loosen both set screws in the spindle pulley and loosen the set screw in the spindle sensor collar. Next, remove the 3 button head screws to loosen the cover. Once the cover is loosened, the spindle lock assembly may pop out with its spring, so be careful not to lose these. Now, use a rubber mallet or hammer against a block of wood to tap spindle toward the tailstock. The right side bearing will slide out with the spindle. Continue pulling the spindle toward the tailstock until it clears the left hole in the headstock and offers enough room to remove the belt. Reverse the prior procedure to install the belt and reposition the spindle. Make sure to place the cover onto the spindle before inserting the spindle into the headstock. Insert the spindle lock with its spring before tightening cover. Be sure that the right side bearing is properly seated in its recess in the headstock, that the spindle sensor collar is positioned over the sensor before tightening set screw, that spindle pulley is aligned with the motor pulley, and be sure not to over-tighten the hand wheel when reinstalling. You can also replace bearings with the belt removed. Be sure to follow all instructions in your manual for bearing replacement. Jet offers a simple way to order all of the replacement parts you might need for your wood lathe. You can find replacement parts on our website at jettools.com by clicking on the parts store. If you need any service or repair, one of our 750 authorized service centers located in all 50 states can assist you. Contact our support team today to find a service center near you.